Frank with Blackstone, Leasing and Manager here at 994 Douglas Avenue, Unit 1, Providence, Rhode Island. First floor, 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent, newly renovated. Start our video tour right near the front entrance. You walk in, the living room area here. High ceilings, fresh paint, big windows for plenty of natural light, new flooring. To my left, you get the bathroom here, brand new vanity, gorgeous tiled floors, toilet, that backsplash, shower, no tub. Bedroom number 1, big enough for a queen or a king set. Got your kitchen area here, big enough for a very large size table, back entrance straight ahead. To my right, bedroom number 2, also big enough for a queen or a king set. And then here in the corner of the kitchen, you do have beautiful countertops and cabinet space, gorgeous backsplash. New stove is going in right there. And then you got bedroom number 3 here. Also can fit a queen or a king set. Like to apply for 994 Douglas Ave, Unit 1, Providence, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of the screen. Each adult want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Blackstone Leasing and Management. Thank you and have a great day.